Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to put a Google Calendar into your website. So first thing is just simply go to your Google Calendar, and now from here just simply go for the settings on the top right corner of the screen, and now from here go for the settings on the drop down menu, and after that just simply go to settings for my calendar over here on the left side, and just simply select one of your calendar. And now from here, just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see here, guys, embed a code. So guys, as you can see, you could use this code to embed this calendar in a web page. So you can just simply copy this one. And now once you have copied it, I will use Wix as a example of a website, and just simply select the add elements over here, embed code, and I'm just going to simply embed an HTML. And as you can see, I'm gonna provide the code over here and select update, and from here we will have our calendar integrated onto our website. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.